I want to touch a little on investment banking as well. I've seen a lot of people that go into investment banking because if you major in finance, right, at a college, maybe you're at a target school, non-target school. When it comes to finance, investment banking is like the top, like right here, right? That's what people make it look like, right? So like you go into investment banking, you want, but if you want to look at money wise, you're gonna be making a lot of money as soon as you graduate. You go to investment banking, you can really make, like, if you're that good, like six figures right after you graduate investment banking, right? You can do that with bonuses added, obviously. But now you're seeing a lot of people starting to quit, and it's usually the younger people that have not been working in investment banking for 2 years or at least a year. They're quitting. You know why? You go from studying, let's say 6 hours a day, right? Or however, if you study a lot. I don't know. I never studied that much in college. But if you're studying a lot in college, and it's not even, you don't even study for 24 hours because you also have classes, you also have, things to do. But you go to work in investment bank, you're working 80 hours a week, 100 hours, and your boss is telling you that I might call you at midnight. If I need this to be fixed because it's got to be to the client. The client needs it in the morning, right? Now you're starting to see people quit investment banking, and they're all young people. This is information that you can look up. They're all younger people that graduated within the past 5 years or 5 to 3 years, right? And that's because they just fell into this idea that investment banking is the top finance. Of course, you're gonna make a lot of money initially, but you gotta be willing to put in the work and to learn, to be able to go over those learning curves and things like that. Um, so that's investment banking for you. If it's something that you're passionate about, if you want to be a banker, if you don't mind working those hours, by all means go for it. But if you're someone who's just looking to, you love finance, and go into corporate finance. There's so many positions in corporate finance that you can go into asset management. It's kind of like a mild version of investment banking.